Okay, so we just got the Honda signature full poly windshield installed on the Pioneer 700, and the install was fairly simple. There was a couple little things that were a little bit more in depth than the other windshield installs I've done, mostly on Polaris Razor and a Ranger. They were just basically snap-in windshields, clip-on windshields, real simple. However, the extra steps were to add rigidity, mostly in the bracing on the top and on the bottom. So there's the two push pins that you have to drill the holes for on the hood, which they're in the plastic part, they're not in the painted part of the hood, so it wasn't really a big deal in my opinion. And then on the top, on the crossbar, there's bracing on that upper area as well, which is good because once you get a full face of wind, the windshield will probably bow, and all the bracing that's on this one will stop that from happening. And I just took it for a little test ride, and it works very, very well. There is no wind in my face anymore, as opposed to the last 2 years of running without a windshield. It's a drastic difference, totally different. So it's like riding in a car basically with the convertible top down. And that's kind of nice when you're cruising around. The initial impressions of this windshield are very good. Obviously it's going to block the wind, which is what you want, and you want it to be super clear. You want the optics to be see-through. You don't want any sort of warpage or visual distortion, and it doesn't appear that there's going to be any with this, even though it's a poly and it's not the hard coat. The hard coat I think would have a little bit more scratch resistance to it, but I'm not really going through thick brush and stuff and pushing aside twigs and branches and stuff. So if you're doing that sort of deep wood stuff, you might want to go with the hard coat. But if you're just running around and it's your utility and slight recreation vehicle, then you'll be fine with the poly like I got. So what I'll do is a little walk around and show you the windshield and how it looks on the bike, and other than that, pretty good product. Pretty happy with it so far. Only taken it for one little ride, but I think it's going to work out really well. Okay, so this is the view that you kind of get when you're sitting in the vehicle, so as close to a first-person view as you could probably get without wearing a GoPro on my head. It's actually right in front of my face, but I got to talk into the mic. So as you can see, the windshield has a little bit of glare. I can see myself in it. Might not be able to see it too well in the camera, but it's not bad. And all the extra bracing really helps with the vibration glare. So what I'm talking about is sometimes when you're riding, you see the glare depending on the light situation, and the vibration going through the windshield will cause your glare to be jittering all over the place and kind of messes with your eyes. But it doesn't seem too bad right now, and if you have a roof, that'll be probably all but eliminated. However, I don't have the roof on here yet because I'm still trying to decide what roof solution I want. It's not an easy choice for the Pioneer 700s because of the wacky roof line that it has. So this is how it looks driving in the cabin. And the other thing I want to point out is all the seals. There's really good sealing around the entire edge of this windshield, even on the sides. So I'm positive that if you do get a good roof solution on here, and even the side doors and everything, if you're up in the climates where it's cold and snowy and icy and rainy, and you get the full cab for these, this thing would probably be sealed almost as good as a car. So this windshield certainly does provide that. And it is removable. These clips do unclip, and obviously the little push pin provisions on the corners there can be undone too, and you can remove it. However, I don't really think there'd be a good reason to remove it. All right, so we're pulling back in, and I'm gonna go pick up the family. Gonna go for a little bit of a cruise and see how they like it. And that's it. We're gonna sign out. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, I'd appreciate a subscribe or a like or even a comment. So thanks again. See ya.